When you swipe down from the top right corner, the Quick Settings panel opens. And depending on your phone and settings, you'll either see a full screen view of settings, or you see this, with just a few settings and a whole lot of space reserved for your notifications. Now, you could just swipe down again to reveal the full panel of Quick Settings. Or, if you don't always want to swipe down twice, you can actually swipe down with 2 fingers, and it'll skip the view with notifications and go straight to the big, full-screen view of Quick Settings. But also, depending on your phone, you can change the settings and choose the default behavior. I'll tap that pencil icon up top first to edit my Quick Settings, and then on the top left, I'll choose Panel Settings. This is where I can choose how the Quick Settings look. It can either display my notifications and Quick Settings together, which obviously limits the amount of settings and buttons you'll see. Or you can choose to have them separate. When I set it to separate and save my changes, I can now just do a single swipe down and it goes directly to the full screen view of Quick Settings. To view my notifications, I'll just swipe down from the left side of my screen. This is slightly different on different Android phones. Pixel phones, for example, don't currently allow to view notifications and Quick Settings separate, and they force you to keep them in a combined view. Samsung, on the other hand, lets you choose. So, if your options look different than mine, it's probably because of your phone model. Anyways, that's how you make the Quick Settings bigger. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.